Hey YouTube, it's RPM Idaho here, doing a little review on my Leatherman Mut. Great multi-tool. I like multi-tools. I have a couple of Leathermans, one of the originals, and I have the Wave. This one I got a couple years ago for Christmas. Just an all-around good Leatherman if you're into shooting. It's basically a shooting, take with you for shooting. This is given to the military for servicing their M16s in the field. They'll carry these on their belts or their backpack straps. Comes with a pretty nice case. I don't use this case, it's pretty bulky to wear on my belt for every day. So I will use a buck knife case. I don't know where the knife went, I just ended up with the case. Also, it comes with a wrench. It's 3/8 and 1/2 inch. I guess M16s have bolts that you can use that wrench on. Anyway, it comes with a Torx head bit, 2 different sizes, Phillips and regular. They're pretty thin. Comes with, this is a brass reaming tool for cleaning your gun. This is a tool for putting your cleaning rods on so you can clean the barrel. You also can mount them. See if I can get a shot of this. There's a hole right there in the side of the pliers that you can attach that tool to. Also comes with a very good saw, very sturdy. I'd cut anything with it, wood-wise. Might even cut PVC. It's got a pretty fine blade on it. The knife is very sharp. I used it many times. Still holds an edge. So that's that. And carabiner. This is a breech tool for when your breech jams on your rifle. You hook it and yank back and it unsticks it. I guess M16s have a problem with that. It's got a rope cutter, a wire stripper, and otherwise a very good and sturdy pair of pliers. The jaws, the blades on the jaws are replaceable. You chip them, ding them, wear them out, you can replace them. They'll stay pretty sharp now. I've cut some wire with them. I'm an electrician. So all in all, really do like this Leatherman. It's pretty badass. It's heavy duty. It's stout. You're not going to wear this thing out or break it. You know, it's got the Leatherman reputation behind it. For those people that like Leathermans, these bits store in the handle. Let me get this open. Actually, it stores in the side here. It has a little button that comes up and holds it in place. Do the same on the other side. So we can have that button down. I'm sorry, I'm being half a retard here. Alright. And it's in. So anyway, I would recommend this Leatherman to anybody if you're looking for a good multi-tool. It doesn't have as many things as the Leatherman Wave or the Surge or any of those. Doesn't have a file, which I miss. I really like the file on my Wave. It doesn't have scissors. Like I said, this is in the field servicing your gun. You know, I don't think they have much need in Iraq for scissors. So anyway, they run about 150 bucks. They're on the higher end of Leatherman. A lot cheap, a lot more expensive than the Wave, but worth it. Worth every penny. Anyway, feel free to rate, comment, subscribe, and that's it for now. Thanks.